Games for infants aged 6 months to 1 year. 1. Crawling path. It will be a lot of fun to set up an obstacle course for your kid in the living room once he starts to crawl. You can utilize pillows, plush toys that are too big, couch cushions, and other soft, secure materials. Once you've demonstrated what to do, entice him with one of his favorite toys to crawl to you from the opposite end of the course. It doesn't matter how he gets to you. Whether he crawls over, under, or around your course, it's good as long as he's moving and having fun. 2. Puppet shows. Watch a finger puppet show with your child to amuse them. You can use old gloves' fingers as puppets by cutting off the fingers, drawing faces on them with a pen, or hot gluing googly eyes. Additionally, you can create finger puppets out of felt or construction paper. Your infant will enjoy watching the performance go by. 3. Mirroring. Play a game with your child using a mirror. So that he may see himself, hold it up to him. He might even chuckle or laugh at himself. Make faces in the mirror to encourage him to do the same. 4. Kickball. Your infant is obviously too little to participate in sports, but it's never too early to pique their curiosity. With this game, you sit with your infant under your arms on the floor, or the ground if you're outside. Prepare a ball to be placed in front of him. Then gently swing your infant so he can advance the ball. Your infant will eventually master the game and fall in love with it. 5. Peek-a-boo. One of the simplest and most enjoyable games to do with your infant is this one. Simply say, peek-a-boo, while covering and revealing your face or eyes. Your infant will giddily laugh as if it were the greatest thing ever. You may also change up the game in new ways, such as playing peek-a-boo through his legs after changing his diaper, hiding and then revealing your face with a piece of clothing, or pulling different expressions and making silly noises each time you reveal your face. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.